Hi, good evening. It's Saturday, the 3rd of February, 2018. I was thinking I would have recorded this video yesterday, but I just couldn't. However, for those of you that followed the EURUSD breakout system yesterday, we had some lovely trades that also got some favorable moves because of the non-farm payroll news report from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we had 4 opportunities on the EURUSD breakout system on the EURUSD, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and USDCHF. And if we follow through on the first one, what we had was on the EURUSD, the initial trade was a buy trade, got triggered here, but then that trade failed and we had a losing trade on the EURUSD buy trade, but then we got filled in for the sell trade, and that was a nice trade because at 25 pips 50% of the trade was closed in profit, and 50 pips for that 25% was closed in profit, and the stop loss was moved, but then we got taken out, so that became a profitable trade. Altogether, a scratch trade on the EURUSD, a nice trade. Second one was the GBPUSD. This was a very lovely trade, and so we had a break to the downside, and at 25 pips we had a close of half of the trade, and at 50 pips a further 25% was closed, and then we just trailed the stop loss, and the stop loss was trailed to this point, and it got taken out. At what time was that? That was by 8 p.m. GMT. That got taken out. The third one being GBPJPY, and so we also had GBPJPY break to the downside, and again that finished up the day in profit. And the final one was USDCHF, and so we had price break to the upside, so 3 days of bearish price action, and then price broke to the upside, gave us very nice profit, 2 levels of profit taken, and then the stop loss was knocked out. And so these were the trades from the second. So from the 2nd of February, so we first had half of the GBPUSD close, and then that was a losing buy trade on the EURUSD, but then 50% of the USDCHF closed in profit, and then a further 25% of the GBPUSD closed. Then the sell trade on the EURUSD closed half, then it just continued until the end of the day, and I actually closed the GBPJPY at about, so that was about 7:39 at night. I closed the trade, but then we saw that carried on going down at this point, so I closed that trade around here, but that carried on going down. So yeah, that was a nice day of trading on the EURUSD breakout system. Okay, and I hope this was very clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us at 5talentstrader.com. Until next time, have a good weekend, and let's see what price does for us next week. All right, cheers.